let's draw with me. Hi everyone, welcome to Little Pencil Draw. Grab your pencil and let's draw. First, let's start by drawing two big ovals for his eyes. Now, let's draw a curve inside each eye for the iris. Add two small white circles and little stars inside the eyes to make them sparkle. You can color the lower part later and fill in the top part with black. Awesome job! Let's draw a tiny oval for his nose and a nice, big curve for his happy smile. Let's draw his short, thick eyebrows above his eyes. They make him look so cute. Now, let's draw a U-shaped line under his eyes and mouth. Draw a curved line across the forehead. Draw a big, smooth rainbow line across the top of the head. Add two curved lines on each side to make the haircut. Now, let's add two curves on the sides for his ears. Draw a short neck. Okay, now, follow along with me to draw his shoulders, arms, sleeves, and his shirt on both sides. Draw a little rooster logo on the left side of the shirt. Under his shirt, let's draw his soccer shorts nice and simple. Draw two short arms hanging down. Perfect! Finally, draw two short, straight lines for each leg and attach the shoes at the bottom. And done! He is so adorable, right? See you next time.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.